Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another tutorial. I'm 7beats and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a really awesome Afrobeat which is similar to On The Low from Burna. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create really awesome melodies which fits really well together, and I'm going to add a lot of drums, so a lot of percussions, and really create a professional beat. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. So first I'm going to start off with a piano. So I'm using the piano V2 from Arturia, and I'm using this American large hall preset. So I'm going to set the tempo to 100 BPM. And I'm going to create a really simple chord progression. So this beat will be in G minor. I'm going to turn this one up. Duplicate this one. Just really similar to On The Low. So I've duplicated a part of the chord progression and reduce the velocity and add a strumizer. You can do this by Alt S. So like this. And I think this is really awesome. So I'm using this Whirly 5 also from Arturia, and I found this really awesome preset, and I'm just going to copy this part of the melody. Fits really well together, and right now I'm going to add some guitars. So I'm using this semi-hollow guitar from Ample Sound. So it should be something like this. That's really awesome. So a really nice guitar riff. So like this. But I'm going to add another melody. So I'm going to disable this one and duplicate that one. That's really awesome. So this melody will be on top of the other one. So we can create some really awesome variation in this beat. So this one will just repeat. That's really awesome. And right now I'm going to add some drums. So I'm adding those ram shots from my Afrobeats sample pack. Just a really simple pattern. And I'm going to add another ram shot. Still just really simple. So I'm going to add this kick, trim it a little bit and normalize it. And just create a really simple pattern. And I'm going to add this bongo right here, this one. And we're going to add this clave, this one. And this one will really add some rhythm. And another one. And layer it with 2 rim shots. So I'm going to add those wood samples. copy this pattern to this one. So the high one and the low one. I'm going to add this djembe. You can find all these samples in my African sample pack. So right now it sounds like this, and we're going to add a shaker loop. And we're going to add some swing to the beat, so right here. So we're going to add around 20% of swing. Turn down the velocity of the shaker loop a little bit. So right now it blends really well together. And I think I'm going to add a bass line. So I'm going to use Purity for the bass line. So I really like this bass sound. So I think right now this already sounds really awesome, and I'm going to create an arrangement, do a little bit of mixing, and guide you through the final project. I really like the outcome of this beat, and I've also added another melody and added a drum loop, so let's get into it. So I've added this bell. It's from Purity, this Celesta preset. Added some reverb to the guitar, also reverb to the bell. So the other guitar melody, so as you can see we can create two different parts in the beat, which keep it really interesting. Right now the Rhodes are coming in. And the beat is basically repeating. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope this one was really valuable for you. And I hope you've learned something from this. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions. And I hope to see you guys in one of my next tutorials.